If you love our lemon loaf cake, then you will definitely love this lemon blueberry cake. Tender lemony cake with jammy blueberries all over and delicious cream cheese frosting. The tanginess from the lemon combined with the sweetness, slightly tart blueberries, it's just to die for. It's so refreshing. And you know what? This recipe has way less sugar than the typical recipes out there. Give it a try. I promise you will not regret it. Okay, dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Let's mix everything well and set it aside for later. For wet ingredients, we have 3¼ cup of softened butter, 1½ cup of granulated sugar. Whisk for 5 minutes on medium-high speed until we get a pale and light mixture. 3 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 4 large eggs. But we're gonna add them one by one, making sure that we mix everything well after we add each egg. When you use a stand mixer, always remember to scrape the sides now and then. This is so that everything that we have in the bowl mixes properly. Now add in half of our dry ingredients and on low speed, briefly mix just until everything kind of comes together. 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Always remember not to overmix our dry and wet ingredients. And that's the key to get tender cakes. Now add the rest of the dry ingredients and give everything one final mix. Here I have 1¼ cup of blueberries. And to that, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. We want the flour to coat the blueberries. Now add them into the batter and gently fold everything together. Divide the batter evenly between 3 pans of 9" that have been buttered and lined beforehand. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 23 minutes or until you stick a skewer in the center of the cakes, it comes out dry. Leave the cakes to cool completely before we make our frosting. For our delicious cream cheese frosting, whisk ½ cup of softened butter on medium-high speed for 5 minutes. Then gradually add in 2½ cup of powdered sugar. Once everything is combined, whisk for another 5 minutes on medium-high speed. Finally, add in 16 ounces of cream cheese that's cold from the fridge. Whisk for another 1 to 2 minutes and that's it. Now let's assemble our lemon blueberry cake. A bit of frosting so that the cake doesn't move. These cakes are pretty thin, so there's no need to cut off the tops or anything. We are making homemade rusty cake here. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment below and I'll do my best to help. As always, written recipes on our website elmundoeats.com. Make sure to chill the frosted cake in the fridge for 1 hour before slicing so that everything sets good and the cake doesn't fall apart when you slice into it. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you on the next one.